What's up to another vlog, y'all. If y'all hear any noise in the background, that's the furnace, so just ignore that. But anyway, how y'all doing? How's the new year going for y'all? Are y'all focusing on some of y'all resolutions? Are y'all still like doing good with those? Like, you know, really doing stuff, you know, making big moves, okay? Yes. Like this video if you are, like this video, and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. So in today's video, I don't know if I'm gonna call this like a series, like maybe like beauty hack series, or like, I don't know, but like I found this because of TikTok. This is the Kiss Mascara, the new way to lash extensions effect. I be seeing this on TikTok. I be like, no way is this real, because it literally look like lash extensions. And if you know me personally, you know how much I love lash extensions. In this video, I'm going to be doing my own lashes. No, I don't have any makeup on because it's late at night. I'm really not in the mood for it, and I'm not getting ready to go nowhere. So yeah, but I am going to do like a review over this product. Trying this on. It says it's supposed to last up to 10 days. And just showing y'all like throughout the week. I mean, today is what, Wednesday? So I'll show y'all before this video get posted the results. Just really, you know, give y'all the tea on these lashes if it's legit and worth buying, because I spent like $25 on this. I think it was like $24.99, I think, if I can remember. $25.99, something like that. Almost dang near $30 for this little kit. So you're gonna have to show and prove. Like, I cleaned my face already, cleaned my lashes. Okay, I feel like a little mini lash tag. Okay, I'm gonna read the directions off camera, and then I'm gonna come back when I got it figured out. Okay, bye y'all. All right, y'all, so I got a paper towel right here just in case my eyes start watering, I start crying, all this stuff. And I got my mirror right here, so I'm gonna be using this to make sure I can see what the word I'm doing, because y'all know your girl is blind. Like, so it says the first step is to brush a light coat of bind on natural lashes. A little goes a long way. What makes me nervous about doing this is that the lashes go underneath your real lashes, and I'm nervous. Okay, like, I don't want this stuff to go on my eye. Like, if this stuff be hurting me and stuff, like, I don't know. Okay, so this is the little thing here. You got the bond on this side and you got the seal on this side. So let's put the bond on. Said a little goes a long way. So okay. Try to make sure my inner corners get coated. Y'all see what it's doing to my eyelashes though right now? I don't know. Okay, so this is the applicator. It looks like this. And then we got short, medium, long. We got more medium than long length. Start with the long on the outer. Y'all, what the world? Okay. Hold on now. Yeah, that was straight easier than. Hold on, wait a second. I'm gonna lift my eye up because I feel like I can't see. Hold on, y'all, it's not sticking. Do I need some more bonder? Hold on, y'all. I feel like I need some more bind, because it's not giving. Okay, so it's a little tricky, getting it to stick, in my opinion. But also when it's on there, it's on there. So look at that, y'all. So I was able to do I was able to do 2 long and 2 medium. Okay, we can compare it from this lash. So like, look at these lashes. So can y'all see my lashes? Okay, now compare this side to this side already. hold on. I need to take a before and after picture, okay? Okay, so anyway, let's get to the next step. So the next step is seal the deal. So I'm guessing it's gonna be this side. So just to let y'all know as well, as far as like smells and like eye irritation, barely, like minimal. Honestly, none, for real. Like my eye doesn't burn. It's just the fact that you so close to your eye. Like if you got bad watery eyes, then that's one thing. Because my eyes are not that watery. They're like slightly watery. Cause I'm so used to like getting lash extensions that I'm kind of like, this is like nothing in a way. But like my eyes are watery a little bit, but not to where I'm like crying or nothing. And like as far as like the fumes, it's not a strong smell, and like, it doesn't burn my eye at all. So okay, so seal the deal. And then I guess that's the last step. They also have the overnighter. Okay, so ooh, is this black? Y'all, this look black. Okay, hold on, why is it black? Okay, so according to the picture, I guess I'm supposed to put it on like this, I'm thinking. Yeah, I'm actually scared because I don't want to mess up my lashes. Okay, let me see. Y'all, what the word did I just do? Oh my gosh. I feel like I'm not doing this right. I don't know. Okay, y'all, so I'm back. I did the other lash off camera. I think I did the same thing. I did 2 long, 2 medium. I wish I could have done like 3 medium, but it's all good. I did way better on this side off camera than this eye. Y'all did that to me. I'm just playing. But so the only thing, like I said, like with the overnighter, like honestly, just put it underneath the lashes. I don't know why someone told me to put it over the lashes. That was not a smart idea. It make them look clumpy, whereas these, as y'all can see, is very wispy looking. The only thing, I like wispy long lashes. Like that looks good. Like this looks good on me. Like don't get me wrong, I got my lashes done, but I just want to try different stuff. Okay, tomorrow I get ready. I'm gonna get ready to do my makeup and stuff, and hopefully I can get some more content out, like pictures wise. And then on Saturday I will give y'all the last review, letting y'all know really how everything held up, how I slept, did anything fall off or anything like that. So cross my fingers, this was not a waste of money, and I can fully recommend this product to y'all. But as of right now, yes, I do recommend, because it just looks good. Like I should get my mom reaction. Hold on, y'all, let me get my mom reaction. So I did my own lash extensions. Here, pause the video. Yeah, so this is how they. Don't like it took long either. No, it didn't. I do like them though. I just wish they was like a little bit longer. A little longer. That's what I'm saying. If I can do this with other lashes, like I'm gonna buy some more lashes. But... all right, Nate, that's cute. It's very pretty. What you trying to leave on? Who's on here? I gotta get your reaction. It's very pretty. Leave it on. Okay. Like, look, like, can you tell?
Yeah, you gonna fake that?
Yeah.
No. Oh,
she can't even tell, y'all. So, would you let me do yours?
oh my goodness. Yes.
Stay tuned for the next video. No, yeah, so it's getting close to the end of the day. I came on here because I did my makeup with the lash extensions, and I just want to let y'all know, I think it's been like 24 hours, at least 24 hours, yeah. Or I think maybe a whole nother day or two. Like, I think it's been like 2 days. Yeah. No, it's been 24 hours. Cause I did them yesterday. So the lashes just came out really good until my glasses off. And yes, I'm in the bathroom. So yeah, so these are the lash extensions. I don't have any mascara on them. I just noticed something. So I'm missing 2 of the lash extensions that was on this side. I'm missing 2 already. So that sucks. So after a day, 2 are missing. Wow. Y'all, I'm ready to take this makeup off. Yeah. But anyway, like when I went to sleep fine. Woke up fine. It's just I had to blink a couple times just to, you know, get my eyes to be open, because it was kind of like sticking a little bit, but not to the point where I just felt like I was scared and I couldn't open up my eyes. Like it was just like a, and that's it. I'm gonna let this part be the end, because obviously 2 of them are already missing, which sucks. So I don't know. I still like the look of them. I'm gonna fix these later, not today. But yeah, I think that's the end of the video, y'all. Thank you so much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe for more videos. Sorry my energy is down. I'm actually kind of tired, and like I said, I'm ready to get this makeup off and go to bed. So I will see y'all in the next video. Bye.